always loved this photo of them.
Mm.
They were so beautiful.
I forget how much your eyes are like your dad's.
Same tired eyes.
Oh boy, hush.
All right, now, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. I'll see y'all in an hour.
Okay, Berna.
See you in a bit.
Do you really think that this is going to stop them from arguing?
Nope. But it may delay them enough for me to get a word in edgewise.
We should go over the plan.
We've gone over the plan 50 times now.
We are going to do our introductions game and play a few other get-to-know-you games and wear everybody out. Then bring up the...
Melanie, stop.
Look, I am just not interested in any fuss today.
No one's gonna fuss. We got a tight schedule. We got a game day plan. I need you to just trust me on this.
You just keep Margarita away from me, okay?